So today we're at Piazza San Michele. Is one of the bigger
churches,
piazzas in Lucca. So it must be named after
Saint Michael
or the Archangel Michael.
Archangel.
Probably, you know, the dude who had the army who fought against Satan. You know, the army of God. It's pretty hot here today, but it's one of the major piazzas in Lucca, as you can see. So there's the church. We're going to attempt to go in there with our camera. We're also kind of dressed a little bit, you know, for a church. So we'll see if they let us in. Okay, now that we're actually allowed to talk, some thoughts I had about the church is it's pretty cool that in Italy, no matter if you're in a small town of Lucca or a big city like Rome, you have these churches that have some really cool artwork, and they're full of things you would never see in any other country. So what'd you think?
I thought that the church was really nice. It had some really nice artwork, really nice history, and the front of the church is just beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, I'm not gonna say cool anymore because Juliana makes fun of me. But the church is pretty cool. It's a small town, Lucca. I think inside the walls there's only about 8,000 people maximum. And you have, I think, 100 churches or more.
Yeah, it's like the city of churches.
Yeah.
That's like a nickname for it.
So, check it out.
So the Archangel on top of Piazza San Michele is strangling a leopard to protect the city. And legend has it that there is an ancient diamond ring, a diamond or emerald ring atop there, and throughout the ages people in the past have tried to climb it to find it, but no one's ever found it.